How to remove your card from Play Store. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel App Guide. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can remove your card from Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, open up your Google Play Store. You might have purchased a premium application before, just like as I have, and in that case maybe you had to add a credit or a debit card and you've added those cards to your Google Play account, right? So once you've added those cards, your card is actually going to remain there for a long period of time or even till eternity, as long as your Google account isn't deleted or as long as you don't remove the card yourself manually. So to remove the payment card from your Google Play account, first of all, open up Play Store, tap the profile icon which you see from the top right hand side of the screen. Then here you'll see all these options load up. Then over here you will simply want to select the option that says payments and subscriptions, as you can see here. And as and when you go to payments and subscriptions, if you look at the very top, again you'll find an option labeled as payment methods. You want to make sure to just tap the payment methods option here, as and when you do that, again, if you've added any sort of payment method to your Google Play Store account, you'll find those payment methods listed up over here, including your credit, debit, PayPal, or whatever else type of Google Play payment methods that you've added. Now in case you think you've added it but it's not showing up over here, then you can just tap on more payment settings. It will take you to the Google Pay login page where you should be able to see all the cards that you've added and then remove them respectively of those cards. So hope this video helped you as to how you can remove your card from Google Play. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.